What's up, guys and girls? My name's SnewJ. Welcome back to the channel. Hey! Today, I got a very special video for you. We're gonna be going around beautiful Huntington Beach, California, Newport Beach, asking 70-year-old, 60-year-old millionaires what they do for work, how much money they make, and if they have any regrets in their life. This is gonna be a banger, so like the video. By the way, we are creating a community of entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, where we can all connect, talk to each other, have live calls, have guest speakers. If you want to be part of this community, click the link in the description below and check it out. I'll see you there. Let's get the video started. How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
I'm Garth.
Garth, nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
I own a clothing business called Perfectly Suited by Garth.
How much in your position, owning a clothing store, can one make per year?
You can do immensely well.
Millions.
Yes.
How old are you?
I never talk about age.
Do you have any regrets?
I've had an amazing life. I used to be a dancer.
Okay.
Moved to Hollywood to be famous. Then I became an international flight attendant, opened the biggest dance studio in the West. I wish I'd been maybe a better husband because I was too involved in my career.
Really?
You know, and
Yeah.
I had an amazing wife who passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear.
No, I've had a good life.
Yeah,
I have 4 great kids,
yeah,
and I hope I was a good dad. That's the most important.
yeah,
So, okay.
yeah. No, we love that. No, thank you for your honesty. We appreciate it. Yeah. What do you do for work?
I'm in the software business.
How much can one make per year doing that?
Top guys make $1.5 million.
Are you
and
top
that's
guy?
a direct sales guy. Yes, I have been the top sales guy
Okay.
many times.
How old are you?
I'm 64.
Do you have any regrets in your life?
Having an idea, having a concept, going for it sooner rather than later would be great.
Anything personal before we let you go?
I would have gotten married earlier and had more kids. When it's all said and done, the job's the job, the money's the money. But if you listen to a guy like Steve Jobs or anybody who's been ultra wealthy, you know that when you hang it all up, the only thing that matters is relationships and family and stuff.
How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
I'm Brett.
Nice to meet you, Brett.
to meet you.
What do you do for work?
Actually, in the outsourcing industry.
Is it your own company? Is it you work?
No. Just work for a few different organizations.
I see.
The largest in the world, and then all the way down to small little companies that are privately owned.
Okay, cool. How much can one make per year doing that? Best year.
Best year?
Yeah.
405,000.
405,000. Would you say your net worth is over $1 million?
It was.
How old are you, and what is something that you regret in life?
I'm 58 years old,
Okay.
and I regret not finishing college.
Not finishing college.
Yeah, I feel I made sure that my daughters did.
Yeah.
And I feel, especially in today's world, like when you're out there, I feel like I missed out. And I feel like without an education, it's more challenging.
Anything else that doesn't sit well with you that you regret?
Spending more time with my sister. She passed away from pancreatic cancer. It was 10 years ago yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, today is my birthday. And
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, we're born and raised in San Diego. She stayed in San Diego.
Yeah.
I came up here for work.
Wow.
And where the dollars were at.
Yeah.
We did have a lot of contact, but once the pancreatic cancer diagnosis was done,
Yeah.
it was 7 months.
Yeah, man, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah,
Appreciate it. Yeah.
So spend time with the people that are still here
Absolutely.
in this world, because you just never know when it's their time to go. How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Fine. I'm David.
David, what do you do for work?
I'm just having fun, doing nothing.
So you're retired?
No, I'm not retired. Oh, I had business a long time ago.
Multiple businesses?
Yes, office machines, yes.
Office
Sales and
machines.
Service, yes. Sales and service.
Sales and service. Okay. How much can one make per year doing that in your position?
Depends how big is their company. If it's a small mom and pop kind of place, there's a potential you can do like $250,000 in a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was your best year? Over $1 million?
Not quite, but close.
How old are you, and what is your biggest regret?
68 years old.
Okay, 68.
Yeah. One thing I would never do it again if I come back, I won't get married.
You won't get married. That was your biggest regret. Really? Why do you say that?
You're born free and you die free, right?
Yeah.
Why not in between the two you live free too, you know?
Yeah.
When you have a wife, you have responsibilities. You have responsibilities for the kid. You have to be like a manager inside the house. Besides your business, you're running business, it's another management at
Yeah,
house. So you have, if you're a bachelor, you have your own life, whatever you want to do,
Yeah.
you do without, you could have good relation girlfriends, but you don't have to be married.
What do you do for work?
I import Mexican food.
Cool. Now, how much in your position can one make per year doing that?
$1 million a year.
$1 million a year? Okay. How old are you?
63.
63. Are there any regrets in your life?
No, nothing like that. I mean, certainly wish I would have put money in Apple.
Okay, so you wish you would have invested earlier.
But no, yeah, but I don't look at it like investments like that. So I don't really have regrets, I have to be honest with you.
Okay, so
I live a great life.
Is there one message that you could leave to the individual to inspire them?
Yes, I will tell you, because I've started several businesses. The best quote that I've heard was the founder of Honda, who started making things like bicycles, mopeds, and motorcycles, and went on to have one of the largest car companies in the world.
Yeah.
Success is 99% failure. Life is not for the smart. Life is not for the educated. Life is for the resilient.
Wow.
That's the best.
What do you do for work?
I own a hair salon.
How much can one make per year in your position?
Depends on where you are and how hard you want to work.
Best year.
Best year, we'll do $2 million this year.
$2 million. Wow. How old are you?
I'm 57.
57. Do you have any regrets in life?
Not a one.
Not one.
That's a waste of time.
Yeah. Why is that?
You don't look back.
Yeah.
You look ahead.
Yeah, you look ahead. And that's why you're making $2 million a year. Yeah. Anything personal that doesn't sit well that you wish you would have done that's not business related?
No. If you're okay with who you are now, everything had to happen that happened.
I love that.
So that's where we are.
Yeah, that was deep. What do you do for work?
I own an insurance agency.
Okay, you own it. In your position, how much can one make per year doing that?
$900,000.
How old are you?
I'm 53.
53. Do you have any regrets in life?
One thing is when I started this business 10 years ago, I wish I would have started earlier.
Start sooner?
Sooner.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you have something in mind, just do it.
Yeah, because time is not on our side, right?
No,
yeah. And it goes by like that.
And if an opportunity comes about, take it. Owning your own business gives you a lot of, if it's ran correctly,
yeah,
it'll give you a lot of time for balance of life.
I'm in education. I'm a teacher.
Okay, cool. And how about you?
Healthcare administration.
And how old are you guys?
Above 50.
Right.
You said 60.
I'll be 60 this
Okay, 60. And you said about 50. Okay, cool. In your positions right now, or, we can even say net worth, how much are you guys worth?
Short of $1 million.
What is your biggest regret in life?
I think a big regret, now that I look at it, I wish I had gone to a culinary school. I love cooking.
Okay, you love cooking.
I think I would have enjoyed being a chef because I like cooking for people. I love making meals, and so that's become a passion of mine.
Yeah, is it too late for that?
I think so, but hey, you never know.
It's never too late, right?
Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah, that's what they say, because we're still, you're only 60, you said.
Yeah.
We got to like 100 now, the technology.
If I'm 100, I don't think you want me to do anything for you.
How about you?
So I think we lived in an apartment, and when Silicon Valley started growing, the apartment became a condo.
I see.
And at that point, we were young, and we thought, why would we want to buy our condo? Buy our apartment.
Right.
But the regret is we should have bought it.
Okay.
Because it would have been a good investment now.
Now, is there any other regrets, or is that pretty much it?
That's it.
Yeah? Because you guys are living your best life then, huh?
Best
We're at a random gas station, need to put some gas. Saw a Porsche right there, and we see a gentleman. Let's go talk to him. We love the Porsche.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
What's your name?
I'm Darren.
What kind of Porsche is this, and how much does it go for?
This is a 2015 GT3 991. This is one of 2,200 made worldwide.
Wow. So it's probably really expensive.
Yeah, 150 plus.
What do you do for work?
I am a network engineer. I've been in IT for 25 years.
How much can one make per year doing that?
200K a year.
200K a year, okay. What's your net worth? Is it over $1 million?
It's $1 million.
How old are you?
I am 57.
57. Do you have any regrets in life?
Yes.
What are they?
When I was young, I wished I would have invested all of my money in property.
Really?
The land will never go anywhere. People will come and go.
So invest in property.
Absolutely.
Any more regrets?
Live life like it's the last day ever.
Why do you say that though?
We could all be gone tomorrow, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
No.
And life is all about taking chances.
Yeah. Damn. Wow. How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Dude, nice to meet you. How you doing? I'm Greg.
How old are you and what do you do for work?
I am 64 years old in the mortgage industry.
Mortgage, okay. So how much in your position can you make per year?
$1 million.
$1 million.
Quarter right in there.
Got you. So $1 million. Now, do you have any regrets in life?
Yes, absolutely.
What are they?
Those are personal, but yes, I do have regrets.
Anything that you want to share that maybe helps somebody? Just like
I would have taken more classes, more business classes than I did.
How you guys doing? I'm SnewJ. Jim? SnewJ? Victoria. What do you guys do for work?
Retired now.
Retired?
Retired.
What do you do when you weren't retired?
I was a truck driver for 42 years.
Okay.
I worked in the sawmill.
But how about you?
I worked for the banks, and then I quit so I could get into my love, which is owning a horse boarding stable.
So you guys are millionaires?
Yeah.
How old are you guys, and what is your biggest regret?
I am 72. Well, my biggest regret that I didn't follow my dreams in college.
Really?
Yeah.
What were your dreams?
To ride horses and be a horse trainer.
My age is 68 years old. My biggest regret was I had the opportunity to go to college, but when I was young and working, and I liked the money coming in all the time.
Yeah.
And I said, well, I'll go to college the next year, next year after that.
Yeah.
I never did. I got trapped in the money coming in. I thought, yeah, I could do this, I could do that.
Because it was money, yeah, it was money coming,
And I said, well, I'm kind of old to go into college, kind of.
Yeah.
You know, and it's my regret. I had an opportunity to go to a university.
Now, is there anything that bothers you today, guys?
Well, I wish I had, I remarried, but I wish I had stayed married a little bit longer for my children.
Oh.
They're very young.
Wow, that's a good one.
It was too hard. But I don't regret it now.
Yeah, because yeah, there you go.
But
you
I
know?
have good kids too.
Yeah. How about you?
I dated a lot when I was young.
Okay, so you're just having fun.
And I was just
a player.
Fun.
He was a player.
Not really. It's just,
I don't want to be a player no more.
I guess I didn't get serious enough. When you have a lapse of time, not seeing that person in a week or 2 weeks when you were supposed to.
Yeah.
Then I got my butt canned.
So you're telling me to be serious sooner than later?
Yeah, well, see, I didn't marry till I was 45 years old.
Oh, wow. Okay.
To this lovely woman. Right?
Congratulations.
Yeah, and so
you guys are a beautiful
I got
couple.
tired of, I wasn't a bar person, but, and the friends on the weekend, go out and have fun, and that was no place to meet a really good quality person.
He played with his boats and his
I had toys.
And a lot of toys.
You had yachts, huh? So basically what I'm getting out of that is if you find a good girl or a good man,
hang on to it.
Damn. Yeah. Okay, how you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Hey, SnewJ, James O'Malley.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do for work?
Land development.
How much can one make per year doing so?
Well, it depends on the market and risk you want to take with investments.
Okay. Good year, probably made over $1 million.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
How old are you, and what is your biggest regret in life?
I'm 65 years old.
Okay.
Biggest regret is not taking more chances.
Can you kind of touch on that?
Going out on your own, trying different things, taking risks. I think work hard, make friends.
Make friends, okay.
And be careful and respect your own reputation.
What do you do for work?
Well, I used to do photography.
Okay.
But I used to rent, sell, and lease computer hardware back in the day.
Okay.
But now I'm doing some sound stuff and, just sort of helping out with some old music, some of the people that are retired.
Okay. In your position, what was your best year? Like, how much did you make?
Just on the rental stuff, we were doing $80,000 a month.
Oh, wow.
And just renting the computers, but we were selling them.
What is your biggest regret in life?
Health-wise, I would rather had known about the health benefits of tea and chai and all that early.
Okay.
And then also the indoctrination. When I was young, all of this, Columbus didn't discover America. This is lie after lie. It's indoctrination. We don't have enough honesty.
Yeah.
And so when I did the work for the presidents and then was putting up Amazon, they asked me to get out of the way, so I did, and I went out with my cameras and I did something good. Now when I came back, now I see all of this stuff. I still help, but I just try to help without any money involved whatsoever. This way, I don't get chased around with cameras.
Right. No, for sure. So.
But at any rate, that's what's going on. So.
Okay, so those are your regrets.
If you look at Taylor's stuff, I'm delicate. so you can look up and see what she did, and then I just work with some people now.
Okay.
I mean, you know, we've been in the room with Gates and Jobs. I helped Jobs move from Point Richmond to Emeryville.
So we're
going to help Elon move out of Tesla and getting back into flights. And so when that happens, because the batteries are getting lighter, we're going to fly. I want the guy to be safe. Why should we be? He has to wear a flak jacket when he goes around.
Electric airplanes is what you're saying.
Yeah, electric jets. That's what we're working on.
How do we?
The new batteries.
Okay, wow, that's pretty.
And Panasonic uses some of my ideas, by the way, on that Lumix camera.
Yeah, that's a lot of.
I know the guys from Lumix.
Yeah,
so.
that's a lot of information that you're giving us, huh? It's a lot of exclusive information.
I just did it because that's what you do.
What do you do for work?
I'm an executive that runs an aerospace manufacturer.
Now, how much can one make per year doing that?
$120,000 to $300,000 a year.
Okay. So would you say your net worth is over $1 million?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
61.
Do you have any regrets in life?
No regrets.
No regrets? Why is that? Can you touch on that?
Because the present moment is so great that everything that happened to me was worth it to get where I'm at now.
How you doing, sir? I'm SnewJ.
Hi, SnewJ.
What's your name?
Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you. What do you do for work?
I'm an attorney.
Attorney, okay. How much in your position can one make per year?
A couple $100,000 to $1 million.
Okay, so you might be a millionaire is what we're saying.
Could be. Yeah.
How old are you?
55.
Do you have any regrets in your life? Like something that's, business related or personal?
Not starting earlier, business or investing.
Anything personal that doesn't sit well?
The advice I would say is to follow your passion, do it early, and don't be afraid of falling on your face.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say there are regrets I would have.
Was there any things that you didn't follow in the beginning, or?
Yeah, I would say like music or something like that.
Are you doing it now, or?
I am now, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But not for a career.
How does one find something that they're passionate about?
Whatever it is that you would do for free without being paid, that would be your passion.
What do you do for work?
I'm Assistant Vice Chancellor for Student Housing at UC Irvine.
In your position right now, how much can one make per year doing that?
$220 and $300.
300, okay. How old are you?
60.
60, okay. Do you have any regrets in your life?
Not starting to save early enough. Not having kids. My wife and I decided not to have kids.
Oh, really? So no kids, huh?
No.
So you regret that?
Yeah.
Did you adopt, or?
Nope.
Thinking about adopting?
No.
No.
Not at 60. No.
What do you do for work?
We're computer business.
Computer business, okay.
Yeah.
In your position right now, running the business, how much can one make per year doing that?
$500,000 to $1 million.
$500,000 to $1 million?
Sure.
Okay, so you might be a millionaire is what we're saying.
My kids think I am. I don't think I am.
How old are you?
52.
52. Now, are there any regrets in your life?
And start my own business earlier.
So starting your own business earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Anything else, like anything personal?
I spent more time with my folks.
Okay.
My family.
Okay. Anything else?
Not that I can think of right now.
Okay, so you lived a pretty fulfilling life.
Look, the past has made me what I am today, right? Had I made any other change in the past, it wouldn't be maybe here right now.
That's true, yeah.
My family. So it's kind of hard to be like, should have done this and that differently. And of course, everybody has regrets or they think that they should have done something differently. But
what do you do for work?
I just retired a little while ago.
Okay, what do you do when you weren't retired?
I was an engineer, contract engineer in Silicon Valley.
How much in your position can one make per year doing so?
$200,000.
$200,000. Are there any regrets in your life?
Actually, I don't have too many.
Okay.
Sometimes we joke that I should have met her younger.
Oh, really?
But,
okay.
Otherwise, not too many. I'm pretty happy.
Okay, so you should have met your wife younger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanted to meet her sooner.
Yeah,
That's a good one. Okay. We had a lot of great answers today. A lot of rejections as always, but it's all good. But basically what I got from this is if you have something you want to do, start it sooner. Don't wait, because time is just ticking. And a lot of people also said family, having a family. And if you found the right girl or the right man, build that right there and then. You know, the grass isn't always greener on the other side. And we do appreciate the people that say they don't have regrets in their life. That's how we should live. Have no regrets. Everything that you feel in your heart that you need to do, you do it at this moment.
You tell me I'm something you need. But baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive?